Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a liquid propane conversion kit. The reason why you might have to do this is because your stove is using liquid propane instead of natural gas for its fuel source. For this repair, you'll need a ratchet with a 7mm socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So in order to change the orifices on the burners from regular gas orifices into liquid propane orifices, we're going to remove all the stuff off the stove top. So as you can see right here, that is going to be the orifice that we're removing. It's going to be just that brass colored object right there. So I've got myself a 7mm socket, and I'm just going to loosen it up a little bit. Once you've got it loose, you should be able to hand unscrew it the rest of the way. Just be careful as you're hand unscrewing it not to drop it down inside the oven. Alright. Now, you can grab your LP orifice conversion kit. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So the conversion kit has 5 orifices. We only need 4 of them. So this is a larger orifice, which is on some models of stoves. It's not on this model, so we'll set that off to the side. So you'll also notice on the orifices there are small numbers. Typically the larger number means a smaller flame, so keep that in mind. Usually we keep the smaller flame on the front left orifice. So we're going to put the front left orifice in first. Like I just said, it's going to be the one with the smallest flame, and you can tell because it's got the bigger number. Once you've got it hand tightened as much as you can, grab your ratchet and tighten it the rest of the way. Our other 3 orifices are the same size, so it shouldn't matter which hole you put those into. So now I'm going to put all the burners and the burner caps back on, and to do that you just simply have to line up the holes here with the starter and it slips right on. Then the burner cap will go on, and if you want you can try and do it fancy like this without even having to take the burner cap off. Just line it up, slip it on. Now grab your oven grates, set those back on top, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.